Hello there, this is Amir, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, to the next video of this YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to discuss about product photography. So, people used to take products and they just, in product photography, what people do, people, for example, if I have let's just take a product for an example here, like if we talk about perfumes. So the background for perfumes should be catchy, in product photography or in any photography, background matters. Product, image background matters a lot. So people put scenery like for example, leaves in the background if they are taking a picture of their perfumes. They put a picture of sea, water, right? So stuff like that, depends on all the products. So it takes a lot of effort and hassle. So there's a new tool in the market, which is obviously is artificial intelligence, AI tool, a free image generator, AI image generator. And in this video we are going to talk about that. It will help people who don't know photography, and they won't they pay high, heavy bucks to photographers to click their product pictures, and so they can attract new customers, and they can buy, because a catchy pictures you know makes more interest in the human brain to buy that product, right? A picture should be crystal clear. So let's just say, for example, the AI image generator tool name is 24 AI. All right, you just go on Google and type on the search bar 24 AI, and there it will you just click on the first link. I'll just repeat the URL for you. It's 24ai.tech. So I'll just click, and then after that you just have to click get 24 photos for free. So when you click get 24 photos for free, I have already sign up in this in this tool, and you will just put your email. They will also ask your number for the OTP for security purposes. So the OTP can be sent to your registered mobile number. And I believe you guys know what does OTP means. It means one time password. And you will also receive a code in your email. So it's just like signing up for Facebook or Instagram or any other socials. So it's not rocket science. So let me just download a product photo from Google itself. For example, I'll just type perfumes here, and I'll go to images. Then I'll select, let's just say I'll select this image. Okay, then I'll just save this image on my Mac, right? It is going to be saved. It has been downloaded. Okay, so the 24 photos, the get 24 photos for free button means that this 24ai.tech AI image generator tool actually gives you 24 photos to generate for free when you are just signing up on their website. But if you buy a paid version of this tool, then obviously more you will experience more advanced features, and you can use them and you can utilize them in your product photography. All right, so let's just you're just going to click here, drop your image, and our image is on the desktop. Then I'll just open. You see, subscription trial, it's a trial, and credits 23, that means 24. I have used one, now I'm going to use this and it will be 22, right? So I'll just choose the background. When you are going to have the paid version, then you will have more features in this, then you are going to unlock more features in this tool, right? So uh, I'll just select this. Okay, then I'll click on generate. Let's just see what does it this tool does. Okay, let's just give it a quick 10-20 seconds. Right, so our image has been generated. See, oh man, that's something new in the market, right? This is the best AI image generator tool which you can use to have more productivity. If you are a photographer, you can have more productivity. And if you don't have this is best for beginners who don't have skills, who are just starting their business, and they sorry about that, and they can't afford to hire a photographer to take pictures for their products. So they can just use this tool, and just go for that, right? So I'll just share the pricing with you as well, if it is available. 24i tech. I'll just click here, and we will just type on Google search 24.tech pricing. I think it is in the upgrade. If we click here on upgrade, you will find on the, there it is. Oh, it's expensive. $5.83 per month. No, it is not expensive. With $6 only, you can create 500 images. 500 images for a month. And there 10-second speed of generation. As you can see, when we were generating the image, it took 20 seconds at least. It may take some more time. When the image is of high quality. So when you're going to have a paid version of this tool, then it will only take 10 seconds and 1 to 2 generations at a time, right? You can generate two generations at a time, and 6 months of storage. They also save your data, right? Text generation, color generation, theme generation, style generation. So I would highly recommend, for people who have this type of budget, $5 per month, who can afford, I would highly recommend to buy this tool, and they will have a lot of benefit by using this. All right, but I would suggest, first use the free version, and also read their FAQs, their policies on their website, right? And first research a little bit about 24ai. Don't just rely on my video. Watch other videos as well, watch other people's recommendation as well, then decide which tool you want to buy. All right, which tool you want to invest in. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye now.